Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss about classifications of computer. There are three different types of computers: analog, digital, and hybrid computers. Hybrid classifications of computer. There are different types of computers evaluated. So, the classifications of computer can be classified on the following: on the basis of application, another one is on the basis of size. We are dividing into two types. First one is analog computers. An analog computer is a form of computer that uses the continuously changeable aspects of physical phenomena such as electrical, mechanical, or hydraulic quantities to model the problem being solved. These computers are used in hospitals, aircrafts, weather forecasting, and so on. Generally, I will tell in we have to using for temples. Okay. Analog signals in analog computers in the sense you have to use for simply wavelengths. In that frequency, in that wavelengths, we have to maintaining the 2 points: frequency, another one is time period. What do you mean by frequency? The number of cycles per second is called frequency. Is called analog computers. In that figure, you have to shown in analog computer. It's the oldest system in the computer. Second one is digital computer. Digital computer can be defined as a computer that performs calculations and logical operations with quantities represented as digits. Digital in the sense binary numbers. In digital computers, mathematical expressions are represented as binary digits. Binary digits in the sense 2. Binary in the sense 2, 0 or 1. And all operations are done using these digits at a very high rate. We have to use it for nowadays in digitalized computers and mobiles. Okay. Third one is hybrid computers. Hybrid computers hybrid computers are computers with combined features of both digital and analog type. Features of analog and digital machines can be combined to create a hybrid computers. This type of computers operates by counting as well as by measuring. In other words, the output can be either in the form of numbers or required units of measurements. Example: an analog device measures patient heartbeats. Example: ECG. You have to checking the heartbeats on ECG machine. Another example is modem. Modem in the sense demodulating and modulating the signals. Example: telephone connections and dish wires. Shall I ask some questions about classifications of computer? First question: which are the classification of computer based on the application? Anyone knows? First one is analog, second one is digital, third one is hybrid, fourth one is all the above. All the above, the correct answer. Second question is, an analog computer is a form of computer that uses the continuously changeable aspect of physical phenomena such as, option is, first one is electrical, mechanical, hydraulic, all the above. Tell me anyone. All the above, it's a correct. Third question is, digital computers mathematical expressions are represented as, once again, digital computers Mathematical expressions are represented as, and the option is binary digits, decimal digits, hexadecimal digits, none of these. Binary digits, it's a correct answer. Fourth one is hybrid computers are computer with the combined features of. Once again, hybrid computers are computers with the combined features of, and the option is analog computers, hybrid computers, both A and B, none of the above. Both A and B is hybrid computer in the sense the combination of analog and digital computers. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, students.